I'm your rich uncle. I want to see my family win. Follow my advice, and you'll be the rich uncle in your family. In today's world, having a skill isn't enough. The real advantage comes from turning that skill into consistent income. Most people learn, but very few monetize effectively. The difference lies in understanding how to package, position, and sell your skills in a way that creates steady cash flow. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, or building digital services, the goal is to move from one-time effort to repeatable income systems. In this guide, we'll break down how to transform your skills into reliable cash flow machines that don't just pay you once, but keep paying over time. Today, we will talk about how to turn skills into cash flow machines. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Understanding the true value of skills in the modern economy. In today's economy, skills are one of the most powerful assets a person can possess. Unlike traditional assets such as property or capital, skills are portable, adaptable, and scalable. However, having a skill alone is not enough to generate income consistently. The key lies in understanding how to convert that skill into a value-driven service or product that people are willing to pay for. Many individuals remain stuck because they treat skills as knowledge rather than tools for solving problems. The marketplace rewards solutions, not just abilities. Therefore, the first step is recognizing that every skill has potential economic value if it can address a specific need, improve efficiency, or create results for others. 2. Identifying high-income skills and market demand. Not all skills generate the same level of income. To build a cash flow machine, it is essential to focus on skills that are in high demand and have clear monetization opportunities. These often include skills related to communication, sales, marketing, technology, design, consulting, and problem solving. The goal is to align your skill set with areas where businesses or individuals are already spending money. This reduces the difficulty of finding clients or customers. Researching market trends, analyzing job platforms, and observing business needs can provide insight into which skills are valuable. By positioning yourself in a high-demand market, you increase your chances of turning your skill into a reliable income stream. 3. Packaging skills into valuable offers. A skill becomes profitable when it is packaged into a clear and compelling offer. Instead of simply stating what you can do, you must define what results you can deliver. For example, rather than offering graphic design, you might offer branding solutions that increase customer engagement. This shift from task-based to result-based thinking increases perceived value and allows you to charge higher prices. Packaging also involves defining your target audience, pricing structure, and delivery method. A well-structured offer communicates value clearly and makes it easier for clients to understand why they should choose your service. This step transforms a general skill into a focused income-generating product. 4. Creating consistent cash flow through client acquisition. No matter how valuable your skill is, it cannot generate income without clients or customers. Building a consistent system for acquiring clients is essential for turning skills into cash flow machines. This may involve outreach strategies such as networking, social media engagement, content creation, or direct communication with potential clients. The key is consistency and persistence. Early on, this process may require significant effort, but over time, it becomes more efficient as you refine your approach. Developing a reputation and building relationships also play a crucial role. As trust increases, referrals and repeat business can become major sources of income. 5. Scaling beyond time for money limitations. One of the biggest challenges in monetizing skills is the limitation of time. If income is directly tied to hours worked, growth becomes restricted. To overcome this, the system must evolve from linear income to scalable income. This can be achieved by creating digital products, online courses, templates, or subscription-based services that leverage your skill. Another approach is building systems or teams that allow you to handle more work without increasing personal effort. Scaling transforms your skill from a simple service into a machine that generates income continuously, even when you are not actively working. 6. Leveraging technology and automation. Technology plays a crucial role in turning skills into efficient cash flow systems. Tools for communication, project management, marketing, and automation can significantly increase productivity and reach. For example, using automation tools to handle repetitive tasks allows you to focus on higher value activities. Online platforms enable you to reach a global audience, expanding your earning potential beyond local limitations. By integrating technology into your workflow, you create systems that operate smoothly and efficiently, reducing manual effort while increasing output. 7. Continuous improvement and skill expansion. To maintain and grow your cash flow machine, continuous improvement is not optional, it is essential. Markets evolve, competition increases, and client expectations shift over time. What works today may become less effective tomorrow, which is why staying adaptable is a key part of long-term success. Discipline in learning ensures that your skills remain relevant and competitive. This does not mean constantly jumping from one skill to another, but rather strategically upgrading what you already know. You can deepen your expertise in your core skill, while also learning complementary abilities that increase your overall value. For example, someone skilled in design might learn basic marketing, or a copywriter might develop sales or funnel-building skills. Staying updated with industry trends also gives you an advantage. It allows you to identify new opportunities early and adjust your approach before others do. Over time, this proactive mindset positions you ahead of the market rather than reacting to it. Continuous improvement also builds confidence. As your competence increases, so does your ability to deliver better results for clients or customers. This directly impacts your earning potential. You can charge higher prices, work with higher quality clients, and take on more advanced projects. Ultimately, growth in skill leads to growth in value. And when your value increases, your income potential expands naturally, making your cash flow system stronger and more resilient. 8. Building long-term sustainability and financial growth. The ultimate goal of turning skills into cash flow machines is not just generating short-term income, but building long-term financial stability and growth. This requires thinking beyond immediate earnings and focusing on sustainability. A key part of this is managing income wisely. Instead of increasing expenses as income grows, a portion should be consistently saved and reinvested. This reinvestment can go into improving your business, upgrading tools, learning new skills, or creating additional income streams. Diversification also plays an important role. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, so building multiple streams, such as services, digital products, consulting, or recurring clients, creates stability. If one stream slows down, others can continue to generate income. Over time, the systems and processes you build begin to produce consistent and predictable cash flow. This reduces uncertainty and provides a stronger sense of financial security. Instead of constantly chasing the next opportunity, you operate from a position of stability and control. By combining discipline, strategic thinking, and continuous effort, your skills evolve into long-term assets. These assets don't just generate income, they create opportunities, flexibility, and independence.
Right, my future millionaires. That's a wrap for today. If you got some value from this, don't just sit on it, hit that like button. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more money-making secrets. Turn on those notifications because wealth waits for no one. Stay smart. Stay hungry. And I'll see you in the next one. Let's get rich.